How to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open settings. So in the search bar, simply search for settings. And once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap on open. Once you open up the settings, simply tap on network and internet. From here, scroll below, then tap on advanced network settings. Then scroll below again and simply tap on Network Reset. Go ahead and tap on Reset now and simply reset your network in your PC. Once that is done, go ahead and check if the Wi-Fi option is available or not. If not, head back to your home screen, right-click on the Start button, then tap on Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, you want to go ahead and simply search for Network Adapter and expand it. From here, you want to make sure that these all are enabled. So let's go ahead and right-click onto it and make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, you're going to be able to find Enabled Device right over here instead of Disabled Device. So go ahead and do that and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, what you want to do is simply in the search bar, search for Troubleshoot. And from here, tap on Troubleshoot Settings. Inside here, tap on Other Troubleshooters. Then from here, simply run the troubleshoot for network and internet. After you do that, go ahead and restart your PC, and just like so, you will then be able to solve your issue. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.